Okay, today's video is about Haitian griot. Griot is literally pork nugget or fried pork. This is a very popular dish in Haiti that you can find along Haiti streets. And it's very rich in flavor, very delicious. The type of meat that you will be using is pork shoulder. You can cut it into any pieces, you know, tiny pieces to your liking. This is the bone of the pork shoulder. I cut all the meat out of it, and I'm going to boil it so I can get all the flavor to make my little stewed pork. So I'm going to clean it with lemon and vinegar. To clean your meat, you're going to need some lime and lemon. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure I squeeze my lime and lemon all over my meat. Then I'm going to add some vinegar also. Okay, so now that I'm done rubbing the lime and lemon all over my meat, I'm going to let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Okay, and after 30 minutes, I will come back and I will rinse it with cold water. Okay, not hot water, but cold water. Okay, so now I'm going to rinse it with cold water. Now I'm going to transfer my meat into my pot. And make sure you get as much liquid out as you can. Okay, now we're going to marinate our meat. This right here is the Haitian Epis. Epis is a blend of seasoning that we use to marinate our meat. And if you need more information about Epis, I will have a link in the description box below. I have a video on that already on how to make Haitian Epis. So what I usually do, because I usually have my Epis in the fridge for a while, I usually smash some garlic to revive the flavor. Okay, so what I do, I mix my Epis with some garlic, and I'm going to add it to my meat. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. And I have my Maggi cube right here. This is what it looks like. Okay, that's the Maggi I use. I'm going to add 2 cubes. Okay. And I will add some black pepper. If you don't eat Maggi or black pepper, you can leave that out. And I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar for acid. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to rub all that seasoning in. Okay, so now my meat is all seasoned. I'm going to bring it to a quick boil before I fry it. So I'm going to add my parsley, and I'm using scotch bonnet pepper, and I use the cloves and I poked it into it so it doesn't get lost or in between the meat. I have my thyme, and I'm going to bring it to a boil. Once it's boiled, I will come back and fry it and show you guys the finished product. Okay, so I have my meat here. It got to sweat a little bit, so I'm going to add some hot water. Okay, and I'm gonna put it on the side. Again, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. I will have the links down below. Again, thank you for watching.